Hello students, today we will solve the numerical problem on topic of metal cutting in the manufacturing process. So firstly read out the problem. During orthogonal machining of a mild steel specimen with cutting tool of 0 rake angle, the following data is obtained. So read out the data and write this in the given section. Solution. So firstly orthogonal machining with tool of 0 rake angle means rake angle is alpha equal to 0 degree. Notation alpha is for rake angle. Next, uncut chip thickness. Uncut chip thickness means T equal to 0.25 millimeter. Next, chip thickness. Chip thickness is TC equal to 0.75 millimeter. Next given is width of cut. V is equal to 2.5 millimeter. Next, normal force. So, normal force is N. Capital N equal to 915 Newton. And next is thrust force. Thrust force is Ft. Ft is equal to 475 Newton. Then find out the shear angle. Find out the shear angle and shear force Fs and ultimate shear stress of the work material. So tau s. So we have to find out phi, Fs and tau s. So firstly we go for the phi. So tan phi, we know that tan phi is equal to r cos alpha upon 1 minus r sin alpha. So firstly we find out the r. We know r equal to T upon Tc. So we have T is 0.25 and Tc is 0.75. So it will become 1 by 3. So r equal to 0.333. So put it into this 0.333 cos 0 upon 1 minus 0.333 sin 0. Sin 0 means is 0 and cos 0 equal to 1. So it will become 0.333 tan phi. So take inverse of this and find out the phi. Phi will become after calculation 18.435 degree. So the first answer we have got shear angle is 18.435 degree answer. Next we have to find out the Fs, shear force. We can find out it by the merchant circle diagram. So we know that if alpha is equal to 0 degree, then FC, Ft and F and N will form a rectangle. This is the condition. We know that if alpha equal to 0, then FC, Ft, F and N will form a rectangle. Means FC equal to N and Ft equal to F. So here we got FC equal to N and N is 950 Newton. So now use the formula to find out the Fs. Fs is from the merchant circle diagram. We can find out Fc cos phi minus Ft sin phi. So we know the value of Fc 950 and Ft 475 and phi is 18.435. So put this value in this. FC is 950 cos 18.435 degree minus, and FT is 475 sine 18.435. On solving this, we will get 751.04 Newton. Fs, we got the second answer. Fs, that is shear force is 751.04 Newton. Next, we have to find out the ultimate shear stress. We know that tau s equal to Fs upon As. Fs we get, but we can calculate As by the formula Vt upon sin phi. So we know the value of V and T and sin phi, and Fs is 751.04. So put the value of V and T and sin phi. 751.04. We know value is V is 2.5 and T is 0.25 upon sin 18.435. So on calculation this, we get tau s is equal to 379.90 is equal to approximately 380 Newton per millimeter square or megapascal. So in this question we find out firstly the shear angle, and second shear force, and last one is ultimate shear stress. So we can find out these by the merchant circle and using the metal cutting operation. So thank you, and if you have any problem, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, thank you.